Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Norton 360 subscription, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Norton 360 subscription, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Norton website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on sign in and enter your Norton account credentials. If you don't have an account, select create an account to set one up. After signing in, look for the My Account section. In the My Account area, find the option for subscriptions. Locate your Norton 360 subscription from the list provided. Click on the subscription you wish to activate. You will see an option to download the software. Select the download option to start downloading the Norton 360 installer. Once the download finishes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the Norton 360 setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. When prompted, enter your Norton 360 product key. You can find the product key in your confirmation email or within your Norton account. Make sure to enter the product key accurately to avoid errors. After entering the key, click on Next to proceed. The installation will continue, and you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open Norton 360. You may be prompted to run a quick scan for initial system checks. Follow the prompts to complete the scan if desired. Your Norton 360 subscription is now activated and ready to use. You can adjust your security settings as needed through the application dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.